Oh, 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 oh. Pokemon. Pokemon. Hmm. Package 1 open. Package 1 open. Ooh, shiny. Not shiny. Not shiny. Ooh, energy. Ooh, energy. The third energy on the pack. As you can see, there are 2 more energies right there. It is not the same card, there's 3 of them. Actually, it is the same card, and there's 3 of them in there. There's actually 3 of the same one in there. For some reason. Not shiny. Not shiny. Not shiny. Not shiny. That one looks good, but it's not shiny. That one looks good too, but it's not shiny. Not shiny. Not shiny. Not shiny. And finally, not shiny. Now it's time to open package number 2. Ooh. Shiny. Look at that. Nice. Not shiny. Not shiny. Ooh, energy. Ooh, look, another energy. Another energy. That one looks cool, but it's not shiny. Not shiny. Not shiny. Not shiny. Did we do the card before? But I don't think so. Let's go to the next one. Shiny. Wait a minute. This isn't shiny. Oh well. Not shiny. Not shiny. Not shiny. Not shiny. And not shiny. Well, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.